Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt distracted or even a bit stressed seeing your profit and loss numbers front and center while using TradingView, today's video is for you. I'm going to walk you step by step through how to hide your PnL on TradingView so you can focus purely on your trading charts without letting those numbers play with your head. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to keep your workspace cleaner and your mind clearer. Alright, let's dive right in. First, if you haven't already, open up TradingView in your web browser. I know this might sound obvious, but sometimes just being in the right spot is the best way to start off on the right foot. Make sure you're logged into your account, so all the settings get saved exactly where you want them. Next, take a look at the top of the TradingView window. You'll see a series of menus up there. One of these is labeled Products. Go ahead and click on that. It might look a little different depending on whether you're on a computer, tablet, or using the app, but on the website you'll usually find this right up at the top. This menu is like your control center. It's where you can navigate to various parts of TradingView's platform. After you've selected products, the screen should update, and you'll be presented with a grid view of your different layout options and workspaces. Picture this like walking into a room where you see all your trading desks laid out in front of you, each with their own screens and setups. From here, you want to find the exact window or layout where your PnL is showing up. Once you spot it, you'll want to right-click on that segment. Don't worry if you're nervous about right-clicking, it's just like opening a little toolbox of options for whatever spot you're focused on. When you right-click, you'll see a menu pop up. What you're looking for here is the Settings option. Click on Settings, and you'll open a new window with a lot of different preferences you can tweak. This Settings menu is kind of like the cockpit of an airplane. There are a bunch of switches and dials, and each one controls how something looks or acts on your charts. Now take a look through the tabs or sections in Settings until you see one labeled Trading. Go ahead and click there. This tab is where TradingView puts all the options related to your active trades, things like order lines, position data, and importantly for us today, your profit and loss display. In the Trading tab, you're going to see a checkbox labeled Profit and Loss. By default, this is likely selected so you can always see your running PnL on the chart. But if you want to hide it, and you're not alone, lots of traders like to block it out so they can focus on analysis rather than results. Simply click the checkbox to deselect it. You'll notice it no longer has that check mark. Once you've done that, all you need to do is hit OK to confirm and save your changes. The settings window will close, and just like that, your profit and loss is hidden from view. Take a moment to check your chart and make sure it looks cleaner. If it does, you've done everything right. And that's the whole process. Just a few quick steps, but it makes a big difference if you want to keep your workspace distraction-free or just avoid focusing on real-time numbers during your trading sessions. Remember, it's totally normal if it takes a moment to find the right menu or setting, so don't stress if you have to poke around a bit. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or have any other questions about TradingView. And of course, subscribe if you want more practical, easy-to-follow trading tutorials delivered right to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.